Sir, that adjutant we recovered is down in the lab. She's all powered up.
Talk to me, you old piece of junk. What do you know?
User identified. Raynor, James, ex-Marshal Marsara Colony. Joined Sons of Korhal Terrorist Group. Status, criminal.
Enough about me, darling. What else you got locked up in that synthetic head of yours?
User status, criminal. Access denied.
Playing hard to get, huh? We'll see about that. Robbing a train again get you feeling nostalgic?
Damn straight. We must have hit the Shell Express a dozen times back in the day. Ah, that keeper never got old.
Almost got us killed when they smartened up and started using outriders to chase us.
Never was a man of them could keep up with you on a vulture, Jimmy. Just added to the fun. How the hell you got a job as marshal after all that? I'll never know.
Jim, let me in. What really happened on Tarsonis? Whatever it was, I can see it tearing you up inside.
Tarsonis. That's where it all went down. Meng stole a psi emitter from the Confederacy and planted it there. He knew that it'd attract the Zerg, and our revolution began that day. The day Mengsk murdered a whole planet and called it justice.
My God. Billions of innocent people. That's just monstrous. No wonder you hate him so much.
I've been looking for an encryption expert so we can access the adjutant we recovered. No luck so far.
Colonel Orlin at Dead Man's Port can crack anything. Haven't been back there in a while. Say, didn't you end up getting married last time we were there?
I told you before, if I knew what the prize was, I never would have joined that card game.
There's just something about a lover's reunion that chokes me up.
There's a rare gas on Belshir, the Protoss skull, the breath of creation. They think it'd be a gift from their gods. We call it Terrazine, and it'd be worth a fortune to the right bidder. Of course those Protoss will kill us if they catch us on their holy ground. Or at least they'll try.
We still need to access the adjutant we retrieved from Tarsonis. Our old mercenary associate, Colonel Orlin, is an expert in Confederate code decryption. If our intel's right, he should still be based at the Merkhaven at Dead Man's Port. He's not very trustworthy, but he's our best bet of breaking that encryption.
My people established a new colony on Haven. It was going well, but now the colony's gone dark. They're not responding on any frequency. We need to get there and see what the situation is. They might have been exposed to the Zerg virus, and they are on the verge of Protoss space. Jim, I'm worried that something has gone very wrong.
Mobius wants us to go after another artifact on some dead world called Zill. Apparently they sent in a specialist team, but they lost contact with them 2 days ago. Their bad luck, I guess. Figure we'll get hazard pay for this one.
Here we go. Much prettier than Redstone, yeah?
I don't much like fighting Protoss if I can avoid it.
Not just any old Protoss. Fanatics called the Tal Darim. They believe the Tarazine is sacred. A gift from the Zelnaga.
If these Tal'Darim bring in their air power, they're gonna hammer us. Swan, get the Goliath schematics loaded at the factory. If their anti-air missiles are still any good, we might just pull this off.
All right, cowboy. I'll get the Goliath schematics loaded so we can build more.
How do we get to the Terrazine?
See those altars? Tal Darim mystics set him up to collect the Tarazine. We just need to grab it.
Well, our SCVs will be able to haul the Terrazine. We just gotta keep it protected. With any luck, we can pick up what we need before the Tal'Darim find us. All right, let's get to it.
In the rear.
Go ahead, Tom. Affirmative.
Who wants some?
Here are the coordinates for the Terrazine sites, brother. These should make our lives a little easier.
Our SCVs can pick up Terrazine canisters and move them. It'll take them a while to disconnect the canister, so make sure you watch out for them.
I'm going. SCV ready. Yes, sir.
This better be good.
SCV ready. By the numbers, boys. SCV ready.
You gonna give me orders?
Big job, huh? SCV ready.
Add-on complete.
Arm. SCV ready. Huh? Go ahead. Ah! You scared me! By the numbers, boy. I've got the first canister unhooked, sir. I'll take it to the nearest command center.
Good job. That's the first canister filled.
SCV ready. Ah! You scared me! SCV ready. Yep. Who wants some?
Not enough minerals.
Incoming transmission.
This land was sacred to the Tal'Darim before Terrans ever reached the stars. You must depart immediately.
Hold on now. We just need some of this gas here, and we'll be long gone before you know it.
No. You shall not defile the breath of creation. Tal'Darim warriors, execute all those who would desecrate our altars.
The
Protoss are mobilizing, sir. Looks like they're gonna go after our SCVs when we harvest the terrazine. I suggest we only harvest one side at a time and run with a heavy escort.
Roger that.
Bad news? In the rear with the gear. Big job, huh?
Assistance required.
Bold move, Mr. Reyna. Collecting terrazine from 2 places at once.
Sure, it's gonna be harder to keep the Tal'Darim off our backs, but the quicker we're done here, the sooner we can get off this rock.
Incoming transmission.
You shall not steal the breath of creation so easily.
Careful. They're sending their ships to take out your SCVs. Shoot them down quick, or we're finished.
Add-on complete.
What's going on?
Assistance required.
Of course. We could use some help here.
The doctor is in.
3 down. You're doing great. Keep it up.
In the rear with the gear.
That's over half the canisters you wanted.
Go time. You gonna give me orders?
Need some triage? The doctor is in.
Not enough minerals.
Ah! You scared me! Bad news? This better... Go ahead. By the numbers, boy. Gangway, coming through.
Goliath online.
Not enough minerals.
You want a piece of me, boy? SCV ready.
Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a terrazine altar.
Wonderful. The Tal'Darim are sealing off the terrazine altar so we can't get at them. If they keep it up, we won't be able to collect enough.
SCV ready. I feel ya. This better be good. Aye, aye, sir. Roger that. SCV ready. Sure thing. SCV ready. Big job, huh? Sure thing.
Not enough minerals.
news? Gotcha. You got it. Sure.
Ceasefire.
Go, go, go! Roger that. Will do. This better be good. Gangway, coming through. Go ahead. Bad news? It's your dime. Armed?
Not enough minerals.
In the rear with the gear. You want a piece of me, boy?
Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar.
Sir. Of course.
Goliath online.
Keep your shirt on, Sparky. Got it.
Our SCVs are under
The
attack.
doctor is in.
Sir, our SCVs are getting hammered out there. We need a stronger escort or static defenses to protect them.
These reckless Terrans must be stopped. Slay them all.
Bad news? Armed and ready.
Goliath online.
10-4. SCV ready. Move it. Go ahead. You're the boss. This better be good.
Not enough minerals. Not enough minerals.
SCV ready. Roger that.
Upgrade.
SCV ready. Been waiting on
The doctor is in.
you. This better be good. Who wants some?
Our additional supply depots required.
Goliath online.
In the rear with the gear.
Additional supply depots required.
I can't be.
Our SCVs are
We
under
better
attack.
send some body bags.
Armed and ready. Been waiting. SCV ready.
You and your radar sure can walk the walk. We just need one more canister.
This better be good. Got it.
Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar. Warning. The Tal'Darim are sealing off a Terrazine altar.
That's the last canister. I think we've outstayed our welcome, boys.